Hey there, savvy investors and finance enthusiasts. Welcome to Dividend and Conquer, where we dive deep into the world of stocks and dividends to empower your investment journey. Today, we're spotlighting 4 incredible growth stocks that are reshaping their respective industries and could potentially redefine your financial future. So, if you're on a quest to discover the next big thing in the stock market, you're in the right place. Make sure to stick around till the end, and let's unlock these financial treasures together. First up, let's talk about a fintech marvel that's revolutionizing banking as we know it. Imagine a company that's not just growing, it's soaring, with an impressive 27% yearly revenue growth. This company is not just surviving the fintech storm, it's thriving in it. With a user base that's ballooning by the day, this fintech giant is on a trajectory to become a banking powerhouse. Their strategy? Transforming from a niche player into a comprehensive financial hub. They've recently launched a banking service that's already raking in substantial revenues. What's more, their stocks are still priced at an attractive point, making this an investment you don't want to miss. This growth is fueled by their innovative approach to digital banking, offering unique services that cater to the evolving needs of modern customers. From seamless online transactions to personalized financial solutions, they're redefining user experience in the banking sector. Their aggressive expansion into new markets is also a key factor in their success, making them a formidable player in the global financial landscape. This expansion is not just geographical, they're also broadening their service range, venturing into areas like wealth management and insurance, further solidifying their position as a versatile financial services provider. And leading this fintech revolution is Sophie Technologies, exemplifying the very essence of innovation and growth in today's dynamic financial sector. Next, let's shift gears to a sector that's equally thrilling: cryptocurrency. Here's a company outshining even Bitcoin in growth. This digital mining leader isn't just mining crypto, it's mining success. With a staggering increase in Bitcoin production and a strategic approach to asset management, they're setting new standards in the crypto world. Their investments in infrastructure and a balanced portfolio of digital assets make them a top pick for anyone looking to tap into the crypto gold rush. But there's more to their story. This trailblazer in the cryptocurrency world is not only focused on increasing production. They are keenly aware of the environmental impact of crypto mining and are pioneering sustainable practices in the industry. By investing in green energy solutions and optimizing their mining operations for energy efficiency, they're not just profiting, they're leading a movement towards eco-friendly cryptocurrency practices. This forward-thinking approach is attracting environmentally conscious investors, adding an ethical dimension to their investment appeal. Furthermore, their strategic alliances with key players in the tech world are expanding their influence beyond the crypto sector. By collaborating with software giants and financial institutions, they're integrating blockchain technology into a variety of applications, from secure financial transactions to supply chain management. This diversification of services positions them as a leader not only in cryptocurrency, but also in the broader tech industry. Additionally, their robust cybersecurity measures are setting a benchmark in the industry. In an era where digital assets are increasingly vulnerable, this company's commitment to secure, hack-proof operations is reassuring to investors and users alike. Their focus on security is enhancing trust in their brand and increasing their appeal to a broader market. This cryptocurrency pioneer is more than just a mining company. They are a visionary in sustainable practices, a collaborator in tech innovation, a leader in cybersecurity, and a trailblazer in the digital financial world. Their holistic approach to cryptocurrency mining and blockchain technology makes them an exciting and responsible choice for investors looking to capitalize on the digital currency revolution. Spearheading this innovative drive is Marathon Digital Holdings, a company that's not only excelling in cryptocurrency mining but also paving the way for a more sustainable and secure digital future. If you're enjoying this deep dive into groundbreaking stocks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community at Dividend and Conquer for more insightful content that could help shape your investment future. Moving on, let's zoom into a sector that's the backbone of our digital world: semiconductors. Our third pick is a company that's not just bouncing back, it's set to leap forward. After a challenging year, this semiconductor titan is making a comeback with promising financials and innovative technology that's pushing boundaries. With strategic moves in AI and a growing presence in the automotive and PC markets, this stock is a must-watch for tech-savvy investors. Moreover, this company is not only advancing in existing markets, but also pioneering new frontiers. They're delving into the realms of 5G technology and the Internet of Things, IoT, sectors expected to witness exponential growth in the coming years. Their chips are becoming integral components in the next generation of connected devices, from smart homes to advanced wearables. This foresight into future technology trends positions them at the forefront of the semiconductor industry, ready to capitalize on upcoming technological revolutions. Their commitment to research and development is unparalleled. With a significant portion of their revenue reinvested into R&D, they're constantly innovating and improving their product lineup. This investment in innovation is not just about staying ahead of the curve, it's about reshaping the curve. Their recent breakthroughs in nanotechnology and energy-efficient chips are setting new industry standards, paving the way for more powerful and sustainable electronic devices. In addition, their global supply chain and manufacturing prowess are key strengths. With state-of-the-art facilities and a robust supply network, they've managed to navigate the global chip shortage better than many of their competitors. This operational excellence has not only ensured steady product availability, but has also fostered trust and reliability among their customer base, ranging from big tech giants to emerging startups. All in all, this semiconductor superstar is more than just a chip maker. They're a technological innovator, a pioneer in emerging markets, a leader in research and development, and a paragon of operational excellence. Their comprehensive approach to the semiconductor industry makes them an attractive prospect for investors looking to be part of the next wave of technological advancements. And leading this charge is Qualcomm, a company renowned for its innovation and impact in the semiconductor space. Last but not least, let's uncover a gem in the insurance sector. This underdog is turning heads with its efficient growth strategy and strong financials. With a focus on integrated services and smart underwriting, this company is on a path to profitability that's hard to ignore. Its undervalued stock price makes it a compelling choice for those looking to diversify their portfolio with a promising insurance player. This company's innovative approach to insurance, combining traditional methods with modern technology, sets it apart. They are leveraging data analytics and AI to enhance risk assessment and customer service, leading to more accurate pricing and improved customer satisfaction. Their investment in technology not only streamlines operations, but also opens new avenues for revenue generation. Moreover, they're making significant strides in expanding their product offerings, entering lucrative markets such as health and property insurance. This diversification strategy reduces their vulnerability to market fluctuations and positions them for sustainable growth. Their proactive approach to adapting to changing market conditions and customer needs is evidence of their commitment to staying ahead in a competitive industry. Additionally, their strong focus on ethical practices and customer-centric policies has earned them a reputation for reliability and trustworthiness, which is invaluable in the insurance sector. This blend of innovation, strategic expansion, and customer focus is what makes this insurance underdog a stock to watch in the coming years. And embodying this remarkable journey is Heritage Insurance Holdings, a company that's redefining the insurance landscape with its progressive and customer-oriented approach. So there you have it, 4 incredible growth stocks that are poised to make waves in 2023. Each of these companies brings something unique to the table, from fintech innovation to crypto dominance, semiconductor advancements, and insurance industry resilience. As we wrap up, I want to ask you, our insightful viewers, which of these stocks intrigues you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, we are not financial advisors, and the content presented in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Always consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. If you found value in our analysis, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Stay informed, stay ahead, and let's conquer the world of dividends together.